All right, welcome back. So there's this interesting thing that'll happen if you go to Google and look for a website, right? Say I look for Avalon Labs, right? You'll see this here, you'll see a title here, and then you'll see some sort of description here, right? So how do websites actually give out that title or that description? In this episode, we're going to find out, right? The way to give a website a title and some sort of description is in the head part, right? So in the index file, we have this head, we have a link here, but we can actually give this many more properties. The head contains the meta properties of a page. And the meta properties means some information about the page itself, not just its code. So let me show you. I can say title and I can say a new website, right? And if I do this and I save it, let me just put this in its place, okay? A new website. And I refresh this, you can watch this index, it becomes a new website. Right? So this is the way to change the title. Now, there's also a way to change the description, right? Which is meta. Actually, let me show you how I do it, right? Meta description. You can Google that. And meta description, let me just say meta description tag. I'm going to go here and I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go here, close, delete this, and paste it. Again, this is something, whenever you're building a complex website, you'll probably do this once or twice maximum. So that's why I don't remember the syntax for this, or I don't want to sit and, so I don't want to pre-rehearse this. So I'm just showing you how most pros do it, especially for this sort of once in a while stuff, right? So the content here, I'll say a website about cats versus dogs, right? So that's how you use a meta description. The interesting thing is, you won't be able to see the meta description. Even the title, you don't see it on the screen, you see it off the screen. And just like title and meta description, and if you press Control plus U and see the source of the page, you'll see that there's a description. This shows up for things like Google, right? When Google crawls through your website, the description is important for that. Now, so there are many other meta tags. You can see the keywords, you can see the author, which is your name. You can see the viewport. So things like this that are useful in certain situations. We're not going to go through them right now. But the idea is you put all of this in the head tags because you're able to kind of give the browser as well as crawlers like Google and Yahoo some information about your web page. All right. So that's it for this episode. Catch you on the next.